If you're a beginner looking to ride motorcycles, it's important to choose one that is easy to handle and safe. Here are some of the best beginner motorcycles to consider. Number one, the Honda CB500F. This bike is great for new riders because it's lightweight and has a comfortable seat. I'll put them all in the description as well, so go check it out. It's easy to control, making it perfect for city riding. Number two, you got the Yamaha YZF-R3. The R1 was my favorite. This sporty motorcycle looks cool and is fun to ride. It has a smooth engine and good handling, so beginners can feel confident while learning. Number three, you got the Kawasaki Ninja 400. This bike is known for its power and agility. It's lightweight and has a comfortable riding position, which helps beginners get used to riding. Number four, the Suzuki SV650. With a friendly design, this bike is great for new riders. It has a low seat height, making it easier to reach the ground, and it's versatile for different types of riding. Number five, you got the KTM 390 Duke. This bike is fun and stylish. It has a responsive engine and excellent brakes, helping beginners feel secure while riding. Now, choosing the right motorcycle can make learning to ride a fun and safe experience. Always remember to wear a helmet and practice safety. Let me know which one's your favorite.